With the time it takes to prepare for weather events like these, yep, it can be pretty difficult. And we are seeing more of that rain right now. Deep East Texas, for our central and southern counties especially. We've seen some pretty heavy rain, folks, today. Anywhere from 3 to 7 inches there in Deep East Texas. We'll talk about the more specific totals here in just a second. But even Smith and Gray County seeing some showers right now. We'll go ahead and zoom in. Anything that you're seeing in Tyler and Longview is bound to be pretty light. We might see some heavier pockets of rain down by White House, but in Deep East Texas, that's really where we have seen the heavy rain. For example, in Nacogdoches County, the rainfall total, or at least the estimated rainfall total, according to our Live Viper radar product, is detecting anywhere from about 6 to 8 inches near Melrose and Chirino there. You can see about 7.2. And then in West Lufkin, we had a viewer report to us 6.09 inches of rain in West Lufkin there, 4.4 in the southern part of the county. As we look further off to the north, nearly 2 inches in eastern Smith County. That's near Overton. 4 inches near Mount Enterprise. I got a viewer tell me on Facebook that we saw about 3 inches there in the downtown portion of Mount Enterprise, or at least close to Mount Enterprise. 4.4 in northern Panola County. So here are your high temperatures today. We were in the 50s and 60s. Still raining outside in Tyler. Temperature-wise, we are at 49, so it is quite chilly out there, and there's enough rain that the roads are damp, so please be very careful if you're heading out on those roadways. 40s and 50s for those temperatures. As we zoom out, stationary front to our south, which does mean we're still seeing that training of showers and thunderstorms in Deep East Texas, and this will be the case throughout the course of the night. Showers through 1 o'clock in the morning. We continue to see more rain on that train moving through Deep East Texas. Some moderate rain at times. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're still seeing a little bit of rain at 2 in the afternoon, but less, and then we'll see a little break tomorrow night into Saturday morning. I think the last gasp will come at us late Saturday morning and early Saturday afternoon, but after 1 o'clock we will start to see more breaks in the clouds and cloud cover, so that will be when the rain ends. How much more rain could we see? I am very concerned that in Deep East Texas, it is certainly not out of the question that we see several more inches of this rainfall, and because of that, the flash flooding threat will increase. So please be very careful if you have to travel down to Deep East Texas. If we see anywhere near that amount of rain, we will have some big issues with flash flooding. Here's the Easter weekend forecast. It's looking pretty good. After tomorrow, we get that rain out of the area. We start to dry out Saturday afternoon. We're at 68 Saturday afternoon, 75 Sunday, and we're going to be dry for the most part on Sunday, which is great news, especially if you're heading to an Easter sunrise service. Temperatures in the 50s early Sunday morning, so just bring a blanket and maybe an extra layer and you'll be good for any of those Easter sunrise services. Next 7 days, let's talk about them. 70s Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. We will be in the 80s Wednesday and Thursday. Deep East Texas, some steady rain tomorrow that could lead to some more flash flooding. Temperatures at about 68 Saturday, 76 Sunday, 70s and 80s next week. Neil?
Sports right now.